A prominent Lingayat Seer in Karnataka has been accused of sexually assaulting two minor girls. But despite this, he has received statements of support by several senior BJP leaders and sitting ministers. I'm Pooja, Prasanna, and over the next couple of minutes, I'll tell you how this politically influential Seer continues to remain free despite facing very serious allegations. Two young girls aged 15 and 16 who were living in the hostel premises, which is situated inside the MUT premises, fled from Chitradurga to Bengaluru to file a police complaint against the head of the MUT, the very prominent Shivamurthy Murugha Swamy. And the police in Bengaluru reportedly refused to file the complaint. Then the two girls travelled to Mysuru and with the help of an NGO filed a police complaint against the prominent Seer. There, after the complaint was filed, it was converted into an FIR and several sections under the POCSO Act were filed against the Seer. Now, the complainant reportedly told the police that one of them was sexually assaulted by the Seer for a period of 3.5 years and the other complainant was sexually assaulted for the last 1.5 years. They both told the police that they would be called to the chambers of the Seer on one pretext or the other where he would sexually assault them. The two young girls had approached the Child Welfare Committee in Mysuru and narrated their ordeal in detail, and then they approached the police in turn. Now the case has been transferred to Chitradurga for probe, which is where the crime allegedly took place. Shivamurthy Murugha Swamy has immense political clout. Apart from several senior Lingayat leaders in the state scene frequenting the MUT to receive his blessings, former Congress President Rahul Gandhi too, during his last visit to the state, had visited the MUT and had also received the Ishtalinga Dikshe from the Seer himself. The most prominent leader of BJP in Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, has already declared the Seer in question innocent and has said that all allegations against him are completely baseless. BJP senior most legislator and a sitting minister in Bommai cabinet, Umesh Katti too, has said that the allegations is a result of internal fights and also ego clashes. Now, Chief Minister Raj Bommai has gone on to say that he does not want to comment on the issue and it wouldn't be right to comment on a POCSO case, and has also gone on to say that he has given complete freedom for the police to probe the case. But has that really happened? Despite the complaint being filed on August 26th in Mysuru, till at least August 29th evening, the Seer has not been officially arrested. Even as there were news reports claiming that the police had arrested him somewhere near Haveri in northern Karnataka, the Seer made an appearance in his MUT in Chitradurga on Monday afternoon and was even allowed to address his followers, to whom he said that he was innocent and he was confident that the police probe will also prove his innocence. The legal counsel of the two complainants have said that they are currently with the CWC in Chitradurga and nobody, including themselves, are being given access to the two girls. Those who were in touch with the two complainants have told TNM that they worry that given the high-profile nature of the case and the kind of political influence that the Seer has in the state, there could be a situation where pressure could be exerted on the two girls to not press any further charges or to go further with the case. So much so that one of BJP's Rajya Sabha MP Leher Singh also has said that it would be a good idea to move the case outside the state for a free and fair probe. We've seen several cases in the past where, particularly in such sensitive cases, both the witnesses as well as the complainants have either turned hostile or have been under pressure to water down their cases. If the state government wants a probe without bias and they want justice for the girls, then they will have to at the very least ensure that the Seer is arrested immediately and the state protection is given to the two complainants.